Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off backlight keyboard Acer Nitro 5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is use the keyboard shortcut. The Acer Nitro 5 typically has a built-in shortcut to control the keyboard backlight, and that is the function key and the F9 key. As you can see, when you hold the window and the function and the F9, you will be able to turn off or on the backlight as per your preference. Now you can also customize in BIOS settings. Some Acer Nitro 5 models allow you to disable the keyboard backlight through the BIOS. To do that, what you need to do is restart your laptop and press F2 repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. Navigate to the keyboard settings section if available, disable the keyboard backlight option and save changes before exiting. Number 4 is use Windows power settings. On some models, the keyboard backlight automatically turns off when idle. To save power, open settings, then system, open settings and then system, and then here tap on power and sleep. Once you head over to power and sleep, here you can adjust the backlight timeout setting to turn it off when the laptop is idle. If these steps don't work, refer to your specific Acer Nitro 5 model's manual or Acer support page for more detailed instructions. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.